Ever wondered how far your GrabPay can take you? From daily necessities to big-ticket items, let's dive into the world of GrabPay and explore its payment possibilities. GrabPay is more than just a digital wallet, it's your versatile payment partner. It's designed to simplify your life, whether you're commuting, dining out, or shopping online. Everyday essentials. Food delivery, satisfy your cravings anytime, anywhere. Order from your favorite restaurants and pay conveniently with GrabPay. Grocery shopping, stock up on essentials without the hassle of cash. Pay for your groceries at participating supermarkets and convenience stores. Transportation, from rideshares to public transport, GrabPay has you covered. Seamlessly pay for your journeys with a tap. Bills and utilities, simplify your monthly payments. Use GrabPay to settle your bills for electricity, water, and more. Beyond the basics. Online shopping, expand your shopping horizons. Pay for your online purchases at various e-commerce platforms with GrabPay. In-store purchases, enjoy the convenience of contactless payments. Use GrabPay at a growing number of retail stores. Top-ups and transfers, keep your GrabPay balance topped up or transfer funds to friends and family with ease. The power of GrabPay. Security, your financial information is protected with advanced security measures. Convenience, pay with a tap or a few clicks, saving you time and effort. Rewards, earn points and rewards with every transaction, making your GrabPay experience even more rewarding. So, how much can you pay with GrabPay? The beauty of GrabPay lies in its flexibility. You can use it for small purchases like a cup of coffee or larger expenses like a weekend getaway. The exact limit may vary depending on factors such as your account verification level and regional regulations. To maximize your GrabPay experience, consider these tips. Keep your account verified. A verified account often comes with higher transaction limits. Stay updated. Check for the latest features and promotions from GrabPay. Plan your spending. Use GrabPay responsibly and within your budget. With GrabPay, the possibilities are endless. Embrace the future of digital payments and enjoy a smoother, more convenient lifestyle. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.